Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is the 16th day of April 2021. We're here to give you all a price prediction update in the market for NFLX. You guys can see that this was our last price prediction into the market, and we definitely felt the strength in the market at that last time that we did our price prediction, which was on, January 20th, 2021, January 21st. 2021. We definitely felt that strength coming to the market in NFLX, and as you can tell, it really didn't play out that way. I mean, the market has literally traded well below our anticipated price target, price prediction area. It happens. But what we're going to do today, we're going to see whether or not the market still has the ability to come up to where we expected the price to go. All right. So before I break that down, before I break down our current portfolio on tip ranks as well as our 3 option plays, let me remind you to hit the like button, share video, and also subscribe. Tap that bell notification. Also continue to come to our particular channel to make sure that you get the heads up as to where we're expecting the price to go in the stock market. That's the only way that you have the competitive advantage, is to get in position right before anyone else sees the price go there. Right? So let's do this. First thing first, look at our portfolio. You guys can see these are our stocks that are within our basket. We have a total of 9 stocks here. And on this third column from the left right here, these are the losses and gains currently here that we've seen since we added these stocks to our portfolio, right? So out of the 9, only 2 of them are giving us profitability at the moment. The rest are giving us losses. So throughout the weekend, we'll go ahead and do another video, update you all on whether or not we need to get rid of these because we anticipate further movement to the downside. So cut the losses and move on to the next play. And then we'll also see if we need to add some to the basket. All right, so keep it locked in here so that you all can see that as we continue to show you all how to maintain a portfolio. Now, let me show you all our option plays too. So these are our 3 option plays right here into the market. We got GoPro, Rite Aid, and Sealed Air. You guys can tell that we sold a put option, a vertical put option spread in GoPro. Still have 35 days left in the market there. Rite Aid, we have 14 days left, and we just bought a single leg put option there. And then we bought a single leg call option for Sealed Air. 35 days left on that one. Overall, you guys can see that our profit and loss is $68 right now. All right, so we still got time to let these options play out. Definitely one we're going to focus in on since it's closer to expiration is Rite Aid. All right, so let me show y'all what Rite Aids look like on the chart for options. Let's analyze it. So here it is. The market in Rite Aid came and closed as, let's see what the price is. $17.69 is where the market closed. You guys can already tell our anticipation is for the market in Rite Aid to drop in price. That is still there on the market, which $17.69 is where the market is. So if we were to get out this put option, we'll be down $20.54. If the market in Rite Aid comes and close on $17.37, we'll break even in the market or at least we'll start to get profitability in the market in Rite Aid. All right. We won't break even until we see this market in Rite Aid come to or below $16.81. So we need to see the market in Rite Aid drop below $16.89. And literally that can happen over the next 14 days. I mean, we have our ultimate TP price right here at 16. So keep our eyes open on that in the market in Rite Aid. Okay. So now that's not why you're here. You came here to watch our price prediction into the market and in NFLX. And generally you guys can see that this market is trading within a trading channel. So let's do this here. Okay. Now the first things first, we're trying to make a determination as to whether or not we need to get rid of this prediction, right? Because obviously we're down at least 6.73% if we were to get out the market right now. Okay, so what should we do? Let's go ahead and look at the market in Rite Aid on a 3-day time frame. I pretty much like it. One thing I'm going to do, let's take this off as a low 6.73%, but generally I'm still seeing the market strength coming in for Netflix. Okay, I'm definitely still seeing that market strength. I'll bring this down here a tad. So this market in Netflix is still trading within the trading channel. You guys can clearly tell. And it just so happens that this massive volume that came in right in on this 3-day price bar, and the market really hasn't reacted to it negatively, tells me for the long term that Netflix is still anticipated to go high in price based off that volume, based off the recent price action from that volume definitely was consumed. So this market in Netflix is still trying to go high in price. It just seems as if we were a little bit too early when we did our last price prediction, right? But the market here, all of this consolidation of trading in a range is prepping the market for another bigger movement to the upside, or it can even be to the downside. Okay. So looking at the market in Netflix on the weekly time frame, this is the only thing that is holding back the market. 550, 560, right? But still, I'm looking for the market to go high in price in Netflix. Looking at this on the 3 weeks time frame, it definitely sees that. You can see that in the market for Netflix. So at least from a 3-week time period perspective, in the next 3 weeks, we will be looking for the market in Netflix to continue to go high in price. Will it try to attempt to make all-time highs? Most definitely. It's going to happen. It's going to try to happen. Okay. So let's do this real quick. So we're still looking for the market in Netflix to go high in price. Support needs to be maintained all the way down here towards 518, maybe 520 as support. And we're going to anticipate the market in Netflix to try to come and hold or attempt to hit that all-time high price, right? Now we would come in and skim off some profitability right here in the market. Right here, which is around $567. Okay, $567. This would give us about 3.6% profitability right there. Okay, only under the premise that weakness will continue to come through the market in Netflix, and that's it. But yeah, we're expecting the market to give us some strength. That was your turn. I want you all to drop a comment in the comment section and tell me, where do y'all expect the market in Netflix to go? Do you expect it to go high in price? Do you expect it to go lower in price? It is just that simple. You just need to get in position so that you can profit and win. So drop the comment in the comment section and let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.